Hello everyone, welcome to James' marketing channel. I will show you today's clip about how to use MKT page software for going to post bulk Reels video in multiple pages on the Facebook platform People. Then the MKT page software will help us to create an unlimited management of fan page is on Facebook. Everyone, we can create the fan pages with those Facebook accounts. Here's the fan page creation. Today, I will guide everyone how to post the real Facebook videos, automatic batch on all these fan pages, the pages that we have created. And people imagine that every account we can create 10 to 20 fan pages. And if we have 100 accounts, we have about 1,000 to 2,000 fan pages. And the fact that we're posting manually, the videos on these pages will be, it's not possible, right? I will post it automatically. All real videos on these fan pages. With MKT software, everyone, I'm going to go into viral marketing and go to that Reels Facebook post. And here I'm going to set up these configurations. For example, here, I have a lot of videos. And now I will. Here I choose those video folders. I'll choose that video folder. Then I'll select the file description. I'll choose a description. This description is, I can get it from the original videos, or I can create a description with a text file. See this text file, and I created this description. You can saw it changed the description. Now I choose the videos again. Let me change the description. That's change. So now I have these videos. All at end. Change the description. Now I can add a hashtag here. I'll add a hashtag here and save this. We now have a video source to upload. The next one, we're going to set up some of these basic configurations. It's like the number of threads running at the same time. What this means, the number of pages I posted at the same time, how many videos to post, how many seconds is the upload waiting time. And here we are. Is this allowed or not? And if it doesn't, tool automatically delete those videos when they're done. And a very important part of that is that we're going to comment on those videos that we post. Here I will comment. Here's my YouTube link. And I'll write that as a tool for online marketing. And I put my YouTube channel there. And people imagine these short videos. There will be a lot of people watching. And when they see their information here, there are people who care. People will be able to click. These are all real people. And the natural traffic. Here's how to create a funnel. It's great for my YouTube channel to have a good backlink. In the end, we'll just need to select the accounts. We're going to choose these accounts. And these accounts already have fan pages. Once we have selected the account, we will upload automatically with these fan pages. So now I just need to start. The software will automatically post this. Let's see how this software works. This is the end of my clip by everyone. And if there's a need, want to demo software, people can be in direct contact with me. For more information, welcome to everyone.